What's happening, guys? You've tuned into the Best Price Nutrition YouTube channel. Be sure to check out our website at BestPriceNutrition.com. Follow us here on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. We do a lot of exclusive deals that you can only get here, and we have some fantastic deals coming up for Black Friday. What are we going to be taking a look at today?
We are going to look at the Bowmar Nutrition Apple Cider Donut Protein Bar.
It's a unique flavor. Now, you may have seen we got a big care package from Bowmar, so you're going to have a ton of Bowmar videos coming. We just tried the pancakes and syrup protein powder. These guys put out a ton of new supplements, everything from nootropics to nootropics to fiber, aminos, protein powders, and they're really kind of known for their unique flavors. Let's see what kind of macros we got on this. How many calories? How many? Can you see what Madison tore up there?
Sorry.
Let's see. So 250 calories for one bar. Let's see. Fiber 4 grams, sugar 5 grams, carbs 22, added sugar 4 grams, protein 20 grams. So this thing is definitely packed to the max.
And not quite, like some of the outright bars are like over 300 calories, so not as much as an outright, but not as lean as what like a Built bar or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever seen an apple cider donut bar before.
Yeah, that's a cool flavor. I like that.
Are you guys fans of apple cider donuts?
Oh yeah,
Apple cider.
oh yeah.
Not like the garbage Jewel ones. You gotta go
No,
to like
you
an
gotta
apple
go to
orchard and get the real
the
stuff.
apple orchard for sure.
I'm excited.
Have you never done this before? You gotta clank the pieces and share
Sorry.
them. Okay. I'm not a huge fan of this bar.
It's not really like, I don't taste the apple cider.
I'm not really getting a lot of flavor.
No.
It's kind of just like sugary.
I like the texture of it.
Yeah.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
I would say I like the flavor better than the texture.
Really?
Really?
I like the texture. It's
I
nice
kind of
and
like
chewy.
I like them chewy.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. For sure.
It's good.
You know, I kind of prefer like the nut butter kind of bars. To me, this is like a Quest bar. This is like your typical like dense protein bar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think it tastes good. I like the texture more than the flavor though.
I like
I
the
would-
flavor more than the texture.
I would still buy it though.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. I think it's like lacking a little bit in flavor, but I would still buy it.
Yeah, I'm not really getting apple cider.
Mm-mm.
Well, I think it kind of falls in the middle where you're not going to get a full meal out of it like with an
Yeah.
outright bar,
Right.
but it is probably going to fill you up better than a Built bar.
Mhm.
Right.
So kind of across the board here. Texture, flavor, she likes them both.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so stay tuned. We got a whole box full of stuff from Bowmar to continue reviewing. We got some more bars, some interesting flavored protein powders. I really want to try their fiber. I'm really into fiber lately.
I want to try their vegan protein.
Their vegan protein.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, stay tuned. We should have more of those coming. And again, if there's any other products from Bowmar that you are a fan of, you'd like to see us bring in, drop a comment down below. Let us know what it is.
See ya.
Later, guys.
Bye.